this is it. This is the worst case scenario. We talked about it. It's here. I said at the time, 80% of the city looked like it was underwater. It was a guess.
Let's go on this Apache Travels. We're over here in New Orleans. Just doing some potential urban exploring. This is a school here that got, abandoned during Hurricane Katrina, and it's been abandoned ever since. And there's the way in. Don't worry yourself. Here, hold this up. I can climb in there. This your first urban exploration?
No, I've done Jones before, but I don't know if how much I want to go in this bitch.
Just come with me real quick. Come on. We're gonna be in the
I'm not built for this right now. I got my J's. I'm looking all good.
They got it clean for you here.
Huh?
Yeah, so there's a lot of flooding in the school during the whole hurricane, and it's been abandoned ever since, but I'm gonna try to at least find the auditorium real quick. I am bringing my flashlight, so I'll use the phone. All right, here's the auditorium. All right, where that's going?
Somebody in there.
Oh, it's all right. We're just scrapping or something. Hello. How's it going? I was making videos, urban exploring. That's cool? No, I'm just making videos. I'm not bothering you. No, I did like urban exploring and stuff. Like, this building during like the Hurricane Katrina got abandoned, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm. See this how it looks nowadays. I believe the school was built in the 30s. It's the auditorium. I'll go upstairs and take a look at classrooms and roll that. Thanks. From the looks of it, it looks like they might have boarded up the mural that's behind this wood here, or maybe it's long gone. If anyone knows what happened to it, drop a comment below. I'd like to find out. Trying to see if there's any like visible damage from the hurricane, like water lines or some shit. This building first opened its doors in 1913 as Samuel J. Peters Jr. High. Over time, it became a cornerstone of education in New Orleans. Some of these steps feel a little soft. Right there, soft. So. Roof view real quick. Oh, birds in here. Yeah, so anyone watching this video, maybe like one of you guys maybe went to school here, so share some of your memories down below. Drop a comment. Yeah, I believe the school opened up in the 30s, like I said before, and then abandoned during Hurricane Katrina. It's never been opened since, but online there's supposed to be plans to fix it one day to bring it back for another purpose, but I guess you can see. Yeah, a hole on the floor. Food stand blues. Yup, this is true right now. The food stand is toasted right now. But the man answers was cops. Couldn't believe it. It's all this weird foundation up in here. As I make this video, I'm gonna add more details about the school, you know, as I go along. In the early 1990s, the school was renamed in honor of Israel Myers Augustine Jr., a figure who broke barriers in Louisiana's justice system, becoming the first black criminal district judge since Reconstruction. It's the principal's office. What is the nurse? Who is the nurse? Principal. These type buildings probably gotta watch out for snakes type shit. So I don't gotta worry about Philly. School pieces. There's some holes over there. See, there's more damage on this side. This is all paperwork, files. The clock. Oh wow, look. These are graduation papers from 1947. So people's grades. This is all people's grades. Is all piled up here. See, look at him. That's someone's picture. Yep. High school credits. Picture real quick. Here. Oh, that's right. Oh, you still in there? Don't come across. Ooh, we'll just go back around this way. Come on. Oh, they trying to protect them shoes, I guess, right?
I said I wasn't even mean. I'm nice and things.
I mean, dude, I wasn't trying to rip. I wasn't trying to rip these pants, but I was like, it wasn't that bad to get in. I was like,
I had the forces in the crib, catch.
yeah, they was perfect for this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't think the forces.
I'm not taking no chances on this roof.
Yeah, fucking around going right through that shit.
Yeah, so y'all can see it like this. That was like a Philly art. A septic has similar art.
Free shoes.
Yeah.
How many floors is here?
It's like 3 or 4. It's kind of weird. This
It's cool though, honestly.
you know, this is probably like where all the trophies and stuff was at right here.
Yeah. This is a big school for.
Mhm.
Yeah, no, it's only one more floor through.
You just go up there and circle back down and roll out. The weather really took a toll on this building. Oh, I gotta see what's up there real quick. Yeah, even though the steps are sketchy, but that's the kind of you gotta see why they got it so sketchy. Oh shit! That's weird as shit though. I don't know about that joke.
That's why I said that shit.
What they got up in his jaw? Red? I'll be back. Stay here. Watch out. They gonna be someone jump scaring right here. Oh. It just looks down on the stage area. Damn.
Yeah, be careful. If anything, I will walk on the side frames. Or base
Yeah.
on there.
I was worried about jumping right there and go
Yeah,
through the
I was
floor.
about to say,
Carol,
don't just see him.
I just think I'm gonna go there and go right through.
If anything, walk on the side a little bit. I don't think it's too bad. But I wanted to jump right off into it.
I was thinking I was gonna go right through that joint.
Yeah, that's why I said it don't seem bad. But I wouldn't.
Here's one of the bedrooms. Got that marble on the wall. Another deal. Yeah, like a hardened joint or something. Man. Yeah, I guess the more you go up, the more the floors are getting all torn up, as you see. On this side, it's a little better. Still so many soft spots on the floor. Whew. That floor feel kind of soft for a floor. Oh, that's the side that's all rotted. That one would have been alright to go up, I guess. I guess we can make our way out. Okay?
When Hurricane Katrina struck in 2005, the building was damaged and has since been left vacant. The cost of maintaining such a large empty structure has weighed on the school board. Today, the site is under consideration for redevelopment. While the school will not reopen, the hopes are to breathe new life into the building, perhaps through affordable housing, studio, or community spaces.
Still basically pretty empty, the whole school. These little mystery doors. Classroom. Got that old classic design. The cupboards on the wall, pretty cool.
Walking through these abandoned halls, you're seeing more than peeling paint and broken windows. You're seeing the architecture of a city that once invested deeply in the schools and the lingering scars of a disaster that changed everything.
So one more peek and we out. I wasn't liking the staircase on the other side, so I skipped it. But this one look a little bit better. I go up to the roof. Should be good. These are on our floor rooms. Take a little peek up here quick. You see, that goes up to the roof, that little service door. That takes you up. You can go all through the top of the building through up here. I'll leave that for the more adventurous type. Y'all can do that. Yeah, they're just looking up some history about it. This building's actually a little bit older than what I thought. This is the last floor. Probably a lot of worn places in this top floor too. The old pencil sharpener. Watch out for the soft spots. This is a pretty crazy explorer. This is literally a couple blocks from where I'm staying at over here in New Orleans. You know, stay tuned. Check out my video I made on Halloween too yesterday. It'll be pretty cool. You know, wherever they get uploaded, be sure to check them out. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Much appreciated. But we almost done in here. Just gonna walk around this little corner. Then we're gonna walk our way back down. Just feels a little different walking through, you know, this is my first abandoned place in New Orleans, Louisiana. And literally right down the block from here is also the, you know, abandoned prison. But that one looks way more sketchier to get in, but I'm still taking a little peek of it. You know, scout it out, you know the deal. But yeah, wherever I go, I'm always making content in relation to abandoned places and also, you know, just showing the real culture of wherever I'm at. So, you know, check out them vlogs. It's just here for the weekend, but I'm gonna definitely spin back to New Orleans at some point because I know there's plenty of abandoned things. So, you know the deal, you know the tingo, Operation Bingo. That pretty much wraps it up. So glad I got to show you guys inside. This is the front entrance of the school. Has a pretty cool design to it though. School design. That's the original name, Samuel J. Peters Junior High School. That opened up in like 1913, something like that. And then later on, the name got switched, I believe in the 30s, and it got that name that's on her now, Augustine. Yep, that's it.